I had the same idea that you had when you got this thing. So I took the label off, took the top off, and I got one of these little containers and I drilled holes in it. Now this thing came out and I took the pebbles out. So now I could put stones in there, this on top. Got the holes drilled. Okay, here's my contraption. Here's the top where the water goes through. Here's this one that I just drilled. And here's this square one. I have to do this because the sand, it just goes right through. And then I need to put this filter on there somewhere, somehow. So I'm going to go get some rocks now. Okay, here's my contraption. So now, let's go to work.
Impressive.